Good afternoon. This is an introduction to my medical ECG monitor application. It's using a new chip which can monitor an ECG without physical contact, though you get better readings if the sensors are attached to the body. But it's a very simple application of actually putting the sensors on the body. Just need to actually be in contact, and they can be held there by, for example, a Velcro strap. And there are both consumer and commercial uses. So in a commercial use, it could be used, for example, in an ambulance. And rather than having an ECG monitor, which costs around £5,000 to £10,000, you could use an existing Apple-based tablet or Android Sceptre-based tablet. The major advantage, though, is because the sensors are reusable and can be wiped down with alcohol or another disinfectant and reused, while a set of pads that are put onto a patient currently cost in the region of $20 per application. So if you need to do if you put them in the ambulance, they're actually usually removed when they get back into accident emergency and a new set of pads applied. This would remove the need for replacing the pads or having pads in the first place in the ambulance. Then you have home uses, which can be for both or home consumer uses, which are things like sports monitoring. You can make a very simple device that attaches to your iPhone or other mobile phone, and you would get your ECG stored. Again, pads are very simply attached. However, as they don't need to be actually attached and can be placed near the patient, there are automotive applications where they can be actually placed in the back into the seat back, so you can monitor a user while they're driving, which has applications to see if they're falling asleep or not. But also there's a huge market for baby monitoring, where you could mount the sensors into the cot itself and check for things like sudden infant death syndrome, and you could the system could set up alerts or alarms if the baby's heart stopped beating. It's a very simple device. The chip costs around $1 in quantity, and you obviously do two for attaching to each sensor, but then you have a reasonable ECG monitor that can be attached to consumer hardware to make it very cheap. Thank you very much.